SEM or SEA, whatever you see, call it. So we'll try to understand the search engine marketing or advertisement. What is the fundamental to it? What is the backbone? Why we need to do this? How to do that? When to do that? And overall process we'll try to understand. It is very important. In this episode 2, SEO versus SMO versus SEM versus SMM, we'll try to unfold and demystify couple of well-known myths which are very commonly found in social media, in search engine, on SEM, social media marketing, like that. Here it is search engine marketing. So search engine marketing or social media marketing, whatever you do, it is paid base. You have to spend some money. So here we'll try to understand the search engine marketing, because the first we started with search engine optimization, then another component which is not free, which is paid, and we can utilize that. So let us try to understand this. So there is two organ. One is advertisement, that is paid, and another is free, which we discussed in our episode 1 and search engine optimization. And I'll just little bit give you overview about this on-site and off-site. What does it mean? Whatever the website you create, they have different pages. Those pages also require some content, and whatever the things technically you do over those pages are known as on-site, and whatever the things you do not do there but other things influences that is known as off-site. Like another blog is there, in that blog you share one article or give a link to your website, and that is off-site. There is a social media called LinkedIn where you shared your article link, that is called off-site. In YouTube you gave a link to your website, that is called off-site. Okay, so search engine optimization are with two different organ or links, on-site, off-site. On-site means then and there on those web pages and related to those web pages, but somewhere else in other website when you talk, in other blogs when you talk, in other video engine when you talk, then that is known as off-site. This all thing we do as a part of SEO services. As an agency, if somebody asks what all things you do under SEO, we do on-site and off-site. So now you both are clear with all these options like on-site and off-site. Let us come back to our point. So search engine marketing, SEM, which is our episode number 2's topic, based on a algorithm called bidding. What is that algorithm bidding? Let us say there is one pizza. There are 30 different people want to advertise in pizza in Bengaluru or in New Delhi or in Kolkata. 3 cities are there. So couple of people, they are dealing with pizza and they are targeting local people only. Pizza you won't Kolkata people send to Bhubaneswar, or Bhubaneswar people send pizza to Bengaluru. No, right? It is on a local territory. 30 minutes delivery. In 30 minutes, things are going wrong. So you target basically a specific area. Suppose, let us say, I'll give one example how the search engine advertisement works. I am taking one example called Indiranagar in Bengaluru, and Indiranagar is a good area, and I should not target Shivajinagar when I am targeting Indiranagar, or I should not target Majestic if I am going for that. So only those area, local area, 5 kilometers radius, I need to target. Another company also in the same vicinity is also dealing with pizza. Okay, so we both are interested to advertise in Google or Bing or in any platform or YouTube, so that who pays more, his ad will be shown at the top. That is known as bidding algorithm of Google. So if the numbers are pretty high, competitive, like Zomato, every restaurant they want to show at the top, then the bidding will keep on going. Or Facebook, you see, everybody in the education they want to show something to you. One educator says per click I am ready to pay 40 rupees. Another says, hey look, I am going to pay you 60 rupees. Forget this man. Show them below. Well, okay Google, you pay me more, I will show you up. Another man, so look, there is a poor man 60 rupees paying, I'll pay you 80 rupees. Well, okay, this poor guys, keep it down, my rank will keep on up. So like that, the bidding happens in combinations with these people, 40 rupees, 60 rupees, 80 rupees. And who pays more, his ad will be popped at the top. That is called as bidding. So when there will be 10,000 people, there will be an algorithm, complex algorithm, who will be at the top, who will be bottom, and then so that whole thing happens through AI, artificial intelligence of Google search engine and ad engine. Finally, that pushes to the search engine but runs through the ad engine. So they both collaborate. That ad engine and Google search engine, whatever the white box where you search, both in synchronous, they work with bidding algorithm. So bidding algorithm, fundamentally there are 5-6 different bidding algorithms, but fundamentally I will discuss 4. PPC, PPI, PPA, CPD, CPM. Okay, what are they? PPC. Google is saying there are different options I have. Whatever you choose, I am ready. Different rates are there. Okay. So one option is PPC, pay per click. You pay if somebody clicks. If they don't click, you don't pay. That is the first condition. Second, say PPI, pay per install or pay per download. PPD or PPI. This thing. Okay. PPD or PPI. PPC discussed, pay per click. Then Google says, okay, look, you need 10,000 download. Okay, let us do one deal. Per download, how much you will pay? So person 1 says, I am ready to pay 300 rupees. Because if the person joins, I will make a lot of money, like 10,000 from him. So 300 is my ticket size for acquiring one client. Okay, look, 300 is too high. I am okay with 150. So Google says that. So this man accepts that higher bidding. If you charge more than 150, I'm okay. I have budget till 300. Google says, okay, I'll not charge more, but you confirm it. Another guy says, look, I have budget 100 rupees only. Maximum. You try 70, 75, I'm happy. Google says, okay. You choose that also. Third person says, I have budget 500. No problem. And then they say that I want 1000 download each. So whoever pays 500, during the download, his ranking will be at the top. Who pays 300, as compared to the second one, he will be the second. And who pays least, his ad will be shown or may not be shown. That depends. So based on the competition, PPI or PPC or PPA, pay per action. PPA is pay per action. Whatever the action you said, I will be creating a form. Whoever fills his mobile number and email ID, his name, his company name, then I will pay you, Google. That is PPA. So there are various strategies. Sometimes there is a cheap strategy known as CPM. Google says, I don't care about your result. I will show to 100 people, 1000 people, 10,000 people, you pay accordingly. Okay. So that is known as CPM, cost per million. Okay. So how much Google is charging per million? So per 1000 impression, it will show the ad to 1000 people. They will take action. They will not take action. Google will charge you. Okay. So like that, already I discussed CPA, cost per action or pay per action, all are same. Cost per click or pay per click, PPC, same. CPD, this is used mostly in video, cost per duration, view duration. CPM, I discussed, cost per 1000. So these are the different search engine marketing strategies. Okay, we understood it. Now the big question is, an entrepreneur, what they need to do before starting into SEM? They need to find fundamentally the first and final thing, that is the relevant keyword which are long tail. Relevant keyword which are long tail. Long tail means all the thing which you search in Google are with intention, and people buy with a certain phrase that is with the intention. For your brand, we as an agency or anyone can find those relevant keyword which converts client. That is a single thing which you have to do. That is the first thing, that is the end thing. And in between you have to do proper attraction by displaying the ad in a very beautiful way. That learn coding in 3 days and develop your app. Like that big promise, like that you can promise to your people that build your app and go live in 7 days and earn money. That will attract customer. That ad copy, magnetic headline or ad copy, that you have to create as the second thing that agency do. Our task is to create a magnetic headline ad copy which converts. Third thing is proper landing page. You have to create where customer, when they click, they land where, what information you will ask, all this you have to design. These are the couple of 3-4 things you need to ask customer when they want SEM. Final very important thing which you need to ask your customer is, whatever the keyword you target, there is a bidding to it. Some keywords are with 1 lakh, some keywords are with 3 rupees. Your budget is 500, you cannot target those 1 lakh keywords. Getting the point? Because those 1 lakh keyword is to sell Boeing airplanes. Getting the point? So maybe you are selling mouse, computer mouse, laptop mouse, that costs it 250 rupees. So 2-3 rupees ad you can spend, right? So we have to find your budget and specify the relevant keyword with ad bidding strategy that falls in your budget. That's all you have to know. When they need to do it, beautiful question. Everyone asks. SEO, if you do, it will take time. But if you do SEM, overnight result you can get. Today you run your ad, tomorrow people will start following you. That means no need to wait another day. SEM, why we need to do is, you no need to wait. Immediately you can get result immediately. Means if you run ad today, then and there, now you will get result. Isn't it amazing? You no need to write beautiful content. You no need to have beautiful brand identity. Immediately you launch your company today. Tomorrow you can get or enhance ad copy beautifully, and directly you can deploy SEM as our lead conversion strategy. That is how, when we do. How we do? You will learn by yourself and waste 3 years, or hire intelligent digital SEM strategist, those who can mentor you, and you can get the results without wasting your time, because time is money. These are all some questions people ask, and in this episode we learned and demystified many myths which we uncovered, and that is, any particular thing can be done in SEM. You cannot do anything. Only genuine good things can be done. If you do wrong thing, they will ban you. SEM is very costly. A poor man cannot do. Wrong. SEM anyone can do. There is a low cost keyword, there is a high cost keyword. Low cost keyword you sell needles, high cost keyword you sell airplanes. Low cost keyword you sell sugar, high cost keyword you sell organic product. High cost keyword you sell diamond needle. So like that, you have multiple options. So any questions, anything, let me know from this episode, and we'll try to answer those also. Thank you.